My name is Vasanthi. I am here to share my experience on DFT training that I have completed from Semicon Technolabs. When I joined here, I had only a basic knowledge on DFT. Now I feel very confident about these topics. The trainers were explained every topic very clear and simple way, even though difficult topics became easy. The hands-on sessions was very helpful when I was worked on the scan flow, memory testing, debugging failure. During this training period, they conducted the mock interviews and presentations that gives me a confidence and by increasing my communication skills. I would thank for the trainers clarifying my doubts with patience. Overall, it was a very great experience to me. I learned a lot more than I expect. I sincerely thanks for the mentors and the institute for guidance and support overall the training period. Thank you.